HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is our course, sir. Maybe here somebody full stack students available, somebody only HTML students available, somebody UI technology students available like that. It is a common for all courses, sir. You are the Java full stack, or you are the .NET full stack, or you are the Python, or you are the HTML. It's a common for all. So Java students, you can learn this, .NET students, Python students, PHP students, as well as UI technology students. It's a common course for all technologies, right? Uh, so today I'm providing a small overview about our course. Just an overview. And anybody, if you have the questions or any doubts, end of the session I'll talk with you, sir. Especially online students, if you have any questions or doubts, end of the session we'll discuss about those. So middle of the session, please don't interrupt. The very first explanation, I'll give what is the advantage of our course. Why we have to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. After completion of this, what is the duration, notes, etc. details I'll share. First, I'll explain the purpose of our course. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all are the web technologies. HTML is web technology, CSS is also web technology, and JavaScript is also web technology. Of course, somebody they are calling programming languages. Their personal, that one. So everybody they have their point of view, sir. So my point of view different, other person point of view is different. So my point of view, these are the pure web technologies. Pure web technologies. But what about the C, C++, sir? Just an idea I'm saying. C, C++, Core Java, all these are the pure programming languages. It's not web technologies. So a lot of Java students are available here. I hope you know this one. So we can't call Core Java as a web technology. And we can't call C as a web technology. Those are the pure programming languages. And we have one separate category. Next, Oracle, one of the famous software. Next, SQL Server. Anybody, can you call these are the programming languages? Oracle and SQL Server, these can you call as a programming languages? No. But what is this, sir? DBs, databases. The programming languages different, databases are different. Both are not same. You have already some clarity, right? Some Java and .NET students. Like that, HTML, CSS, JavaScripts are web technology. This is another category. We have some more categories. What is that, sir? What is this? A screen what? Windows desktop. Windows operating system. Comes to here. Windows and Unix or Linux, Mac. Can you call databases? No. Can you call programming languages? No. Then what is these all things, sir? Operating systems. But all are softwares only. C is a software, Oracle is software, Windows is also software, HTML is also software. In these softwares, different subcategories. How you are dividing this one, sir? Based on their purpose. We divided all these things based on the purpose of the software. So web technologies is one type of softwares. It is one subcategory of the softwares. Programming languages are one subcategory. Databases one subcategory. Operating systems also one subcategory. Simple. Simple things are. All of you students are not students, right? Not human beings, Student or human being? Both have one another. Student or human being? Right now you are student. After 11 o'clock, human being, because class completed. You are going to your works, I am going to my next batch. So at that time, you are the a common human being. Human being is main category. Student, one subcategory. Employee, one subcategory. Housewife, one subcategory. And how these titles are coming? As per the height of the body, as per the glamour of the face, as per their duties, as per their duties, as per their functionalities. You are learning, so you are student. I am explaining, I am faculty. You are driving, you are the driver. You are cooking, you are chef. Simple thing. So these all the softwares also the same thing only. So from today onwards, don't call HTML is programming language, CSS is programming language, and JavaScript is a programming language. Don't use that words. Somebody using sir, but we have no. So you can call as a purely web technologies. What is the purpose of these web technologies, sir? Especially these three. All these web technologies basic purpose is to design or to develop, web pages, to design or to develop web pages. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all three web technologies, the common point is to design the web pages or to develop the web pages. Not websites, sir. If you design web pages, websites automatically forms. Website designing is not possible, sir. Frankly speaking, web page designing is possible. Website designing not possible. How it is, sir? Some of you have books, the notebooks. Can you manufacture the notebook directly? Anybody? Can you manufacture your notebook directly? No, sir. We are manufacturing pages. Oh, 100 pages if you staple it, sir, what happens? A book is forming. Oh, 50 pages if you bind it, sir, what happens? A book is forming. And now logically observe, are you manufacturing book or are you manufacturing page? Pages you are manufacturing. These pages later automatically build as a book. Directly books are not coming. A book is equivalent to one website. A book is equivalent to one website. The normal page, this is web page. Page common, sir. Book website. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all we use it for designing or developing of the web pages. But websites, sir, I'll give the small clarity here, see that. Website. Google.com, it's a website. Facebook.com, it's a website. Flickr.com, it's a website. Aha Movies, Amazon Prime, these all are websites. How can define this website, sir? A website is a collection of web pages. Website is a collection of web pages. But what is web page, sir? Web page is a group of HTML elements or HTML components. HTML elements or HTML components. This is the web page formation, sir. Now go to ending to starting. You will get the more clarity. We are designing some elements or we are designing some components. These all the components, if we arrange neatly one format, then it becomes as a web page. Arrange all these elements neatly one format, it becomes as a web page. Combine the number of web pages, then it becomes as a website. So websites are building like this. We don't know what is element, what is component, sir. Nothing special, sir. I'll write in the brackets here. Components means a heading. Component is a heading. Or component is a paragraph. Component is an image. Component is a text field. Or component is a button. Or component is an audio. Or a component is a video. Or sometimes it is a table. Or like that, hundreds of components available. All I am unable to list out. So dot 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 I'm using here. What is all these things are? HTML components or HTML elements. I'll show here, see. Open Facebook login page. This is Facebook homepage. What is this? Page or not? You are calling generally Facebook login page, login page. Login page also one page only. Search page also one page only. This is what I said. And how this page is designed, sir? With the support of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That page developed or designed with the support of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So that is the page example. And comes to here, a page is a group of elements. Where is elements, sir? What are the items are appeared on the page? Everything is one element. How many items are visible to you on that page? That everything is one element. Can you point out, sir? See this? The blue color Facebook available, that is one element. A blue color Facebook is one element. There are two lines of data is there, sir. This is one element. Get a white color box available here. That is one element. Get enter username, email ID. This is element. This is element. A blue color box is one element. Forget the password is another element. A small line is one element. Create a new account is one element. And last some small sentence available. This is one element. All the red ticks are called as the HTML elements, or we can also say as a components. How can design like this, sir? That is why we joined this course. If you want to design those all the things, our course is useful for us. So write some lines of HTML code, come some couple of CSS steps, that screens we can design. So what is this Facebook, sir? Just for your idea, I'm saying, sir, it is an image. A blue color Facebook available, that is image. And bottom two lines is available. This is heading. And next, what is this blue white color box, sir? That is division. A white color box available, this area. This is division. Next, what is this box, sir? It's a text box. And next one, sir, password. The next one is password. And the next one, sir, button. The next one is button. And what is this forget password, sir? Anchor tag, hyperlink. And what is this line, sir? HR. What is this green color box, sir? Once again, anchor tag. And the last one, this, sir, paragraph. The names, try to compare with my explanation. In brackets, observe, sir. Heading, paragraph, image, text field, button, audio, video, something, something else. Some names available are there. So these all are the HTML elements, and all these elements we neatly arranged in one shape. Then it becomes as a login page. Like that, design some more pages and interact with every page. Then it becomes as a website. This is the website structure, the very simple structure. If you want to perform any of these operations, we need these three technologies. So we are unable to design the websites directly, sir. We are developing the web pages. Or 5 pages we integrated, sir. A website is forming. Or 20 pages we interconnected, sir. Another website is going to forming. Sometimes a single page is available. Some websites, one page designing is also possible. Small websites, single page. Some websites are 20 pages. Some websites are 200 pages also available. Examples are Wikipedia. In Wikipedia, how many pages we have, sir? N number of pages are available. Unlimited. Hyderabad 1 page available, Chennai 1 page available, HTML 1 page, Java 1 page, Naresh IT 1 page. Like that, for every topic, we have the separate pages. So Wikipedia is a website and it contains n number of pages. The basic definition of the websites are, and the websites are designed with these technologies. And what about these, sir? Actually, this is not our topic, sir. It's only for awareness purpose I explained here. Now comes to here. HTML, CSS, JavaScript used for designing of website. Now my question is, what is the use to develop the websites? Or what is the purpose to develop the web pages? Any idea with your general knowledge? Why websites? Why web pages? It's general knowledge question. Websites are web pages. Why? Huh? Information. Okay, sir, if you go for any of the website, one main point is data sharing. Data sharing. Web pages, the main purpose is data sharing. Suppose Naresh IT Institute website available. If you open the Naresh IT Institute website, what happens, sir? Institute information is sharing. What are the institute for providing the facilities? Which courses they are offering? What are the new batches? So FAQs, so videos, links, etc., etc. And your college is also one website available. What we have in that website? College information, college achievements, college awards, rewards. What are the technomeets they conducted previously? College related information. But Flipkart, what we have? Products information. Amazon Prime, what we have? Movies information. Naukri, what we have? Monster or Naukri, jobs information. Redbus, IRCTC, trains, buses information. See that one? Matrimony.com, matches information. Girls get the boys information, boys girls information. Matches. Like that 100%, if you take any website, they are going to sharing some information. SBI Bank website available, sir. Yes. TCS company website is available, sir. Yes. TCS company sharing the company details. SBI Bank is sharing the bank details. So every web page, every website, the basic purpose is data sharing. 100% of the web pages, the purpose is data sharing. This is the primary purpose of the web pages, sir. Primary purpose of the web page, data sharing. Secondary purpose, sir, UI, user interfaces. Another purpose of the web pages is UI, user interface. What is difference between the first one and second one, sir? First one, as a company owner, I am sharing my company details. What is my company history? What are the products I am manufacturing? What is the prices, etc., etc. I am sharing to public. But if any public they are interested, they want to contact with me. So if you want to contact the company management, you have to fill a small application form. Your name, your email ID, your contact number, something. A name, email ID, contact number we are filling somewhere. Na? A small part is called as the UI, user interface. A small part. In our normal terminology, you can say as a application form. See that? A small area is there, na, sir? So what is this, sir? UI. User interface is that one. Next, forget the password. What is this one, sir? UI, user interface. Back. I don't have any account. I want to create the account, sir. Click on the sign up. What is this, sir? UI. Observe the screen. Facebook sharing any information with you? In that screen, Facebook is sharing any information, sir? No. Facebook expecting your details. Facebook company is expecting the user's details. That screen is called as user interface. But once I given these all the details, next screen what will get? Once I fill all the details, account creation is success. Next screen, what will get? Facebook post, Facebook messages, videos, comments, etc. etc. What is this, sir? Sharing of the information. The user interface, this is success. Huh? Next, you are going to getting some information from Facebook. The companies are giving the information to public as well as they are taking some information from the public also. Are a college sharing the information to students and at the same time expecting some details from the student. SBI bank website sharing the information about bank at the same time expecting some details from the customers. Mutual sharing, sir. Mutual exchanging of the data. Web pages we use it for the both purposes. No, sir, I have one website. I never performing any data sharing. I never performing any user interfaces, sir. Are 100% no chance, sir. And if you feel like that, we are misunderstanding the concept. And somebody what they are thinking, sir, and Netflix available, sir. It is not sharing any information. YouTube available, sir. It is not sharing any information. And a public point of view feeling is they are allowing to watch the movies only, sir, but they are not sharing any information. OTT platforms all are some public, they are feeling they are not sharing the data. That is 100% wrong, sir. Compulsory they are sharing the data. How you know that, sir? Okay. Why you open the Netflix for watching of some movie, right? That movie available in Netflix or not, how you know that, sir? Which movie you want to play, which movie you want to watch. The movie is present in Netflix, Amazon Prime, Aha Videos, G5. How you know that? And they are sharing information or not? That is the meaning. So online movies watching is also sharing of the movies. When you open the website, what will get? List of movies. List of movies means sharing my library. What are the video libraries I have? A library I am presenting the user. User they want to play the movie. Register, create the account and play the movie. Create account what? User interface. And list of movies watching? User data sites. Except these 2 points, we don't have any other activities. The Java developed websites, .NET developed websites, Python developed websites, PHP developed websites, whatever it may be. Concept these 2 points only, sir. Technology, whatever it may be, programming, whatever it may be, the purpose is these two only. Data sharing, user interface. In data sharing user interface words, I am simplifying that. And as somebody's convenience, data sharing, another pronunciation is output operation. Output word is very famous in our computer, right? And user interfaces, sir. User interface is a input operation. But this is for somebody's student comfortability I am using just for understanding purpose. Output means, sir, program displaying the data. Input means, sir, program expecting the data. Who have the minimum programming knowledge, those all they knows the words of this one. Or who have the basic awareness about the computers. Input device available, output device also available. What is these two? Input devices. And what is that screen? Output device. What is the purpose of input device? Taking data from the user. What is the purpose of screen? Displaying the data to user. Same we are doing in our programs, in our websites also. So, a website definition and a web page definition and the purpose of the web page. These are the 3 points I covered here, sir. Once again, the small. Website is a collection of web pages. Web page is a group of HTML elements or components. Elements are nothing but these all are the elements. So if you design the elements and combine it, one web page is forming. Combine the number of web pages, one website is forming. These web pages, websites, developmentations, designing, we need one technology. The technologies are our course. And web pages, what is the main intentions are? Sharing the data to public as well as expecting some information from the public. If you develop any website, these are the two main intentions. The rest of if anything is available, sir, after these two only. Any other advantages available after these two only, not before these two. And next one, where HTML we are using, sir, where CSS we are using, where JavaScript we are using, sir. A practical scenarios I am showing here. So this is HTML part, this is CSS part, and this is the JavaScript part. A live situations I am showing for your better awareness about the subject. The Facebook account creation page, sir. We have a lot of items here. Some different colors, gray color, blue color, black color, green color, something, right? But these all items who prepares, sir? HTML prepares all these items. The blue color Facebook, black color create new account, gray color it's quick and easy. First name, surname, mobile number, email ID, new password, date of birth, gender, or two lines, paragraphs, green sign up. Already you have account. These all items are manufactured by the HTML. 100% sir, not CSS, not JavaScript. 100% all these items are prepared or manufactured by the HTML only. 100%. But what is the CSS sir? But alignment observed, neat alignment or rough alignment? Neat alignment. Positions, gapping, sizing, coloring, all neatly designed. The neat alignment is the CSS concept. Coloring is CSS concept. Alignment of all the components neatly like this. Proper positioning format. CSS responsibility. The content prepared by the HTML. Alignment to coloring, positioning, all these going to set by the CSS. So with the CSS, HTML, that screen we can design 100%. No doubt at all. So where is JavaScript, sir? JavaScript generally not visible to our eyes. HTML clearly visible to our eyes. CSS clearly visible to our eyes. But JavaScript not visible to our eyes. Reasons are, JavaScript is always here. Backbone for HTML and CSS. JavaScript is always works like as a backbone for the HTML and CSS. The matter. I want to see the JavaScript, sir. You have to make some mistakes. If you are interested to see the ICU room, if you are interested to see the doctors, what to do? So try to get some health problems, automatically doctors are comes. Simple. If you want to see the police peoples, if you want to see the prison, jail, what to do? Make a crime, make a murder, make a kidnap, make a robbery. They comes automatically, you don't need to call it. And you want to get something, sir. Here we have to do something. Newton's third law is there. Huh? Every action there is equals to opposite reaction. Your action robbery, reaction police uncle. Your action health problem, reaction doctor ambulance ICU. And if you did something, this we can see. Without mistake, without health problems, I want to see the jail sir and no. I want to see the ICU bed sir and not possible. So if you want to see the JavaScript, make a mistake. Then JavaScript not comes onto the screen. It's always working in the background. Make a mistake, do some wrong activity, then JavaScript is comes out. What it is asking here, enter email ID or mobile number. This box, sir. 1, 2, 3, third box. Wait. So it's asking enter the first name. I placed the cursor. I just placed the cursor. Without entering the first name, I'm moving to the next one. Without typing, I'm moving to the next one. See that, sir? We'll get the red color box. That is JavaScript result. That is the effect of the JavaScript. And what happening, sir? When you are moving from the one text box to another text box, background JavaScript is works. The JavaScript functionality, sir, it checks you are given the data or not. Are you given any data in the first box? Not given. But it's a mandatory field. It is a mandatory field, but you are not given any data. So some logic is activated, it checks your data, but nothing is found. Simply showing the error message. A red color highlightation is an error. In our websites, if you are observed anywhere the red color box, it's a symbolic representation error. What is error, sir? This is the error. What's your name? You are not given. So system asking what's your name. Next I'm giving here something, sir. Same thing. Place the cursor any of the box without typing the data, move to any other location. Automatically boxes are going to highlighting. So data missing, data missing, data missing. Data missing or not HTML checking us, sir? No, no, no. Data is entered or not CSS is checking us, sir? No, no, no. Because those two only designing purpose. These two only designing purpose. So data checking by the JavaScript. But where is JavaScript? Not available. But JavaScript results you are watching, see that one. So background always JavaScript is works. When you did any wrong operations, when you perform any wrong entries, you'll get the highlightations like this. See the another situation, sir. One of the job portal monster, one of the jobs portal monster. I think lot of people you registered in this monster also, I think. Suppose I don't have any account in the monster, sir. So register with us. I don't have any account, so I'm going to clicking on register. One small application form is open. See here, see that. There is a small application form. What we have here. Place the cursor in email ID. Before that, what is the star symbol, sir? It's a general knowledge only. What is the star symbol? Mandatory or compulsory or you must type the data. Now place the cursor in email ID. I'm typing like this, Shiva. If I move to the next item, you will get error or not? Just I typed Shiva only, then go into the password. So Shiva showing error or not? Why? Because it is expecting the email ID, but we given only name. How browser knows it's a email ID or not, sir? At the rate symbol, dot symbol. Now try. You have clear message also, na? Please enter a valid email ID. Who produces this, sir? HTML or CSS or JavaScript? JavaScript. That is the responsibility of the JavaScript. And your data always verified by the JavaScript in background. It never comes to the top of the web page. If you did any mistakes, error message is only displaying always. Every box we have the same thing. See that. Password. I said 6 characters. But I'm just typing Apple. Again, I will get the error message. See that one. But now this screen, HTML is there? Yes. CSS is there? Yes. JavaScript is there, sir? Yes. HTML, user interface. Top of that one, headings also HTML. Coloring, sizing, positioning is CSS. And data checking responsibility is JavaScript. So we are using all these three combinedly for designing of efficient and proper web pages. In these three, any one technology missing, sir, your page not efficient. Simple thing. We are preparing one chicken curry, sir. In chicken curry, chicken missing, sir. But what is this balance? Curry, yeah. Which curry? Or while preparing of the chicken curry, sir. Ingredients we required. Salt missing, sir. How much taste? Salt main kada asalu, first of all. Or something missing. And if any ingredient is missing, sir, curry is not becomes as tasty. But curry preparing or not? Preparing, but without proper taste. Yes, sir, madams? So all ingredients, if you use in the proper ratios, then we'll get the tasty. So HTML one ingredient, CSS one ingredient, JavaScript is one ingredient. Use these three in the proper format, proper ratios, you will get efficient page designing. Otherwise, sir, just page designing. Ordinary page to efficient page, lot of difference available, sir. Confirm. Doubt, huh? And I just searching one face, suitable example. Huh? Green shirt person, green t-shirt. So today you are the demo session. You attended like that. One type of dressing style, one type of something like that. Tomorrow you have the interview, sir. Same style, huh? Right? Same t-shirt, same type of oil face. Try? No. Why demo session we are getting like that? Our Naresh Institute only na, our Shivkumar sir only na. The company said not like this, sir. This is also dressing. Tomorrow while going to the interview also you are using dressing. But that dressing difference available or not? Yes, it's just dressing and that is proper dressing. Proper dressing with neat shaving, head bath, God praying, innocent feeling. But daily classes not like that kada. Maybe sometimes అయితే 9:30 class, 9:35 we wake up. So what to do? Coming to session. Chances are there. So dressing, proper dressing. Page, efficient page. Differences available. The practical situations for our HTML and CSS JavaScript live scenarios, sir. For better understandability, directly live situation session. But all situations I'm unable to show it, sir. Already two. Facebook I shown and Monster I shown. With this knowledge, when you are opening any websites in future, just try to observe 1 second. You will get easily identification. Oh, this is HTML, this is CSS, and this is the JavaScript. The practical I shown that one. Now theoretically, how can I explain that, sir? I'll give the small sentences about all these three HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And what I practically shown, theoretically I'm typing, sir. HTML full form hypertext markup language. Purpose of this one, what I said in the top of that one, web page designing. Web page designing. In that web page, what is the exact role of this one, sir? Data preparations. Data preparations. HTML always prepares the content. Headings, paragraphs, buttons, text boxes are data preparations are by the HTML. Then what about the CSS, sir? CSS is makeover operation. Makeover. You know the makeover and supplying Asian paints one side, Nerolac paints one side, presenting the face very attractively. Literally CSS purpose that only, sir. It's not joke, serious only. Literally CSS purpose, how much attractively your face, your body you are presenting to others, that is the CSS concept. That's why I used the simple word makeover operation. For whom, sir? This web page. Makeover operations of web page. So content prepared by the HTML and the content markup is applied by the CSS makeover operation. A makeover operations technically is called as look and feel. The CSS is decides the look and feel of a web page. On screen present how much attractive you are expecting, that is decided by the CSS. Then what about the JavaScript, sir? So it provides logical support. It provides logical support to HTML and CSS. Whatever it may be, any type of logical support, sir. We don't know what is logic, sir. Okay. So logic means calculations. Logic means calculations, additions, subtractions, multiplications. Logic means conditional operations and data checking, decision makings. Logic means iterations, repetitive tasks. And the same operation I want to perform again and again and again, sir. That is called as the iterations. Logic means taking the input from the users, and producing outputs. Etc. etc. HTML unable to perform the calculations, sir. HTML is unable to perform the conditional operations. HTML unable to perform the iterations because HTML CSS designing markup. You want to do any mathematical formulas, you want to check the data correct or not, you want to perform any task again and again and again and again. These all activities coding support required. The coding support is provided by the JavaScript. So these are the three responsibilities of the technologies, sir. If you combine all these things and this is happens. If you combine all these things, so we can develop this one. It is just a trailer part, sir, not detailed explanation. When you are entering into HTML, detailed explanation comes. When you are entering into CSS, detailed explanation. Just a releases only, trailers only, that's all. I'll do the small comparison with one small funny example. What is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript? Still, if you have anybody problem to understand, one small funny example. So we are the human beings, different colors, so different heights, so different weights, so different genders. So. But for all of us, one common point is there. What is it? Huh? Human beings. For all our human beings, one common point is there. One common component is there. What is it? Huh? HTML. Oh. I'm not talking about our class only, overall. Skeleton is the common, sir. So, for example, my color is black color and my skeleton is also black. Huh? No, pure white. Yesterday night only I tested that one. Yesterday night I tested the color of the skeleton. No. You can also test it. How, sir? Just go to the bed, close your eyes. Skeleton, and it will comes. You can test it also, no problem. So this person full fair color is available. What is the skeleton color? White. My skeleton color is also white only. This person could the medium color available. What is the color of the skeleton? White. If face changing, face shape changing, nose size different, eyes size different, but skeleton is common. You are no, school days you learn some science together. A science, if you see that one, every human being's skeleton same size only, age wise. Body this much available, skeleton this only. Facts are, bone never going to increasing the size. Thickness of the skin is going to increasing, fats are going to increasing. So skeleton is HTML. And your basic body structure coming from skeleton. The skeleton is HTML. But is skeleton covered with skin, different layers of the skin, different colors, different components. This is CSS component. But skeleton looking very handsome. Skeleton is looking very beautiful. Huh? No, our face is beautiful, our face is handsome, but not the skeleton. Your face deciding you are beautiful, you are handsome, you are six pack, your family pack, your double family pack, but not by the skeleton. So skeleton HTML, this is covered by the external components. It is CSS. This is CSS. So this is CSS. This is CSS. This is also CSS. We are doing some works in our real life. What you are doing right now? Right now, what you are doing on the spot? Listening and watching. Studying work right now. 10:38 time. So 10:38 a.m. What you are doing? You are watching my face, my screen, or you are trying to listen. And what I am doing, sir? Explaining. Like that, every human being doing some work. That work is JavaScript. So skeleton is HTML. Skeleton attractively presenting is the skin, that is called as the CSS. This body, some functionalities are available. Eating, walking, sleeping, drinking, playing. These all the functionalities are decided by the JavaScript. What you are doing, that JavaScript deciding. You are playing, JavaScript playing logic is running. You are sleeping, sleeping logic is running. This is the small three technologies live examples. Who is HTML? Main structure, skeleton. Who is the CSS? Our skin tone, our hair color, our smiley style. These are the CSS only. And JavaScript means, sir, your activities, your functionalities. So web page structure, web page makeup, web page purpose. All web pages the same way we are not using. Some web pages for shopping we are using. Some web pages learning of the subject we are using. Some web pages listening of the songs we are using. Some web pages money transactions we are using. And web page to web page, web page to web page purpose is going to changing. The programmatical explanation, sir. If anybody you have the problem with these sentences, we can take the skeleton example. Simple thing. This is an overview about your course, sir. So coming our today onwards up to the last day of our batch, what we are doing, sir? This is only our concept. Except this, nothing is comes in our course. Web page designing, web page designing, web page design. We are eating web page, we are drinking web page, we are sleeping web page, we are breathing web page. Web page comes out. Web page comes out. Compulsory. No other activity in this technology, because this is the pure web technologies, and this is the fundamental and basic for rest of all other web technologies. This is main point, sir. Remember that one. Our course is the fundamental for entering into web technologies. You want to become as a web developer, you want to become as a UI developer, you want to become as a front end developer. Yes, you can become. That's not a problem. You want to become any of these three sectors, you have to gain the knowledge on this one first.